Hello, in this tutorial we are going to find out quantity of PCC, mean plain cement concrete. And here you can see we have just detail of PCC over here in this section, and we have just this plan of PCC as well. So the length and the breadth of the PCC will be equal to length and the breadth of the excavation, because we have to just place the PCC where we have just excavate. Here you can see we have just this foundation, okay, this F1, and we have to just place a PCC over here. Now only thing will be changed over here is the thickness of the PCC. Now we have to just give here this value as a thickness of PCC. You can see our section as 150 millimeter. So this is how we can just find out over here. I'll just go here in Excel, and I'll just right click on this tab, and from here I'll go in move or copy option, and I'll go in move to end option, and I'll just check this one, create a copy, and I'll press OK to just copy this format over here. Let me just give any color over here to make this separate. I'll start from here, right click, and let me just give here a name as PCC. Okay, PCC means plain cement concrete, and right click, and I want to just give here a color as this color. Now here again I'll just go here and I'll just change it into PCC, plain cement concrete. Now in serial number I'll just go with 1. Okay, then we have to just give here PCC for F1, what, foundation 1, PCC for F1. And next we have to just give here number of foundations from where we have to do PCC. So these are 13 foundation from where we have to do PCC. Here you can see we have just 13 foundations, and first we'll just do the PCC. Now the next length and the breadth of the foundation is 1.3 meter by 1.3 meter, where we have to do the PCC. Okay, in all of this area we have to do PCC, all of this area, and this is 1300 by 1300 millimeter, mean 1.3 meter by 1.3 meter. Now the next column here is depth. So instead of depth, let me just give here thickness, because PCC has a thickness, okay, like this. And let me just give here a thickness value. So we can just check the thickness value from the section, okay, and it is 150 millimeter. It's mean that we have 0.15 meter, okay, divided by 1000, 0.15 meter, okay. And I'll just go here and I'll just give here a value of 0.15 meter, and I'll hit enter. So in all of these foundation, like 13 foundation of F1, we need 3.30 cubic meter of PCC over here. So if in your case, if you have just a foundation of F1, F2 and F3, so you have to just calculate for F1 separately, F2 separately, and F3 separately. So this is the method to calculate the PCC. Hope you understand this session. We'll see you in the next.